All right, what's going on, guys? It's Austin Silver. It's Wednesday, August 30th at about 9:30, a little after 9:30 in the morning. So we're on a call with the guys. We actually are done trading for the day. We started at 9 in the morning. I was out of my trade by 9:15. I think the rest of us were as well, right? Everyone who took it, you guys were out by 9:15?
In and out.
In and out. Eric just screams. And you can see this thing is still ripping higher. I got to keep moving my thing up. We're almost at 60 pips now. So we were looking at GCAD and so GBP CAD and GBP NZD both going long. Both are GBP base pairs, which we look for that correlation to move long. Something else that we were also looking at was EuroCAD. However, with this pair, we were looking to take this short. We were the whole day before this huge move up here, we were looking to move this short. So when we had EuroCAD with CAD on the back end and GBP CAD with CAD on the back end, CAD is the quote pair, both going in opposite directions, something was wrong. I knew one of those two pairs was not going to go the direction I thought. Either GCAD was not going to go long or EuroCAD was not going to go short. What ended up happening was EuroCAD tells me a little bit before my entry on GCAD that it was not going to go short. That meant that the CAD pair here on the back end was actually going to move long in correlation with GCAD. So that was even more confirmation to take a look at this pair. And then between GCAD and GN, both of these pairs, GN is now pulling down, but this one went over 50 pips, you can see right here, from entry off this reversal formation. Both of them through the exact same reversal formation. It's crazy. But, and they both grabbed to the water. I didn't even notice that. Both had money grabs the candle before. They're like identical. Either way, both were good trades. What I was going to say was what kept me in this, and I kept Eric out of one of them. So we were looking at GCAD and GN. What kept me in GN and out of GCAD was that GCAD 1 didn't look like it was going to break and go for this because of, I'll show you actually. Let me pull up MetaTrader. So here, if you look at GCAD, here was your reversal formation. It was already at resistance 1, the pivot point for the day, here. And yesterday's high is right here at this blue dotted line. So there were two barriers here that I didn't expect it to break. But look at that. It jumped right up to R2, and this is where I'll expect it to stop now. You would expect it to slow down at least. We didn't know it would go here because of these two barriers. And if you look at GN, which is the better trade, which I took, here's the reversal formation. There's nothing above it except R1. And look exactly where did it stop with the bodies. Like, it can't get any better than that. It didn't even break it. So it went to R1, held it, and I guarantee you, if it wants to break it, it's going to have to break it and then retest it. It's not going to push through solid because this body with this candle did not close through it. But you're trusting the EMAs, you're trusting the TDI, and everything here tells you that this was going to move long. So I trusted this one over GCAD. Does that make sense? Because it had no barriers. This had no barriers till R1. This had 2. And it was already at R1 for the day. There was more space on ADR here. Does everybody understand that? Good. See, I mean, look, ADR here is at 101%, so ADR is busted for the day. You would definitely close this trade. Here, also at 100%. But before it had made this move, this was higher. This was at like 70 or 80% already. That's why I like GN. GN was at like 54% ADR when we took it. So it was nice. And I'll actually go like this. Pull this up real quick. So here's a picture of my live trade on GN off the reversal formation up 16 pips. I closed it right here, like I said, after 15 minutes. But look where my take profit was. Exactly where I expected it to go. You see what I'm saying? Couldn't be any clearer, right? And then here's the picture.
4x genie.
I'm a 4x genie? No. And then look right here. There it is, hitting my take profit if I had held it in. But I didn't. I took it right here at 16. Cool. Do you guys have any questions? I think it was very easy today, very clear.